Hi everyone. I want to welcome you back to my test bench where today I'm testing Michael and Shelly's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. Michael and Shelly sent me this one because it was non-functional and in their furnace. So I received it today. I did some troubleshooting, replaced some components on it, and it is now fully functional, so I'm ready to go through final test with it. I will note that it's connected to my tester right now, and that this controller has the capability of controlling a hot rod element or an igniter, electrical igniter. So that's this light bulb here. It's simulating the electrical igniter. So I'll go ahead and turn this on. When I do turn it on, two lights will come on, the combustion fan and the room convection fan. The combustion fan will come on because it's hardwired in the controller, and the convection fan will come on because I don't have a thermal switch on my tester. I hardwired that in. So those two things will happen. So let me go ahead and do that. And there we see it. Both lights are on, indicating that the combustion fan and the convection fan would be running. Now there's a couple things I can check in this mode. First is the convection fan control. On the convection fan side, there's two tests. I can press the high fan switch here, and we see the intensity of the red indicated convection fan go high and low. So it's on, it's off. So that switch is functional. The other check I can do is to rotate the switch here, and we see the intensity of the light bulb go up and down. Note that positions D, E, and max are the same. There's no changes in intensity. That's because that's hardwired on the circuit board, as it is on most of them. So the low, B, C, D positions all have control. So on the manual side, this controller is fully functional. Now I'm going to switch it over to automatic, and two things will happen. First is when I press the auger button, I expect the green light to come on, and that will start a timer for the auger. The second thing that will happen is when I release that button, when I take my finger off of it, the igniter will come on for a 10-minute period. I'll say that it will come on for 10 minutes. I've pre-tested this and it is fully functional. It will shut off after 10 minutes, but we will not see that in this video because it's not long enough. But needless to say, I have tested it, it's functional, and I'm satisfied with its operation. So I'll go ahead and press, and we'll see the green light come on. And as I release, the igniter will come on. There, we see it, it's on. So now that we're in automatic mode and I'm in low position, the timer is running, and at some point here, after about 30 seconds, the auger will come on for a short burst. I'm going to tilt this up because there's a light right there, right above the word pellet, and I want to make sure that we can see that in the video when it comes on. And there we saw it. That's on at the same time as the auger motor drive is on. So that little LED is to indicate that the auger is driving. One more time. There it is. And you notice it was on for a short period of time and off for a longer period of time. If I switch this low BCD to max, we see the room fan go brighter. But then we'll notice that the auger will come on for a longer period of time. There it is. And the duration of it being off is shorter, so it'll come on more often. So let's wait. We won't have to wait the full 25-30 seconds before it comes on again. So there it's on for a longer period of time, and it'll go off and come back on, be off for a shorter period of time and come back on again for a longer period. So that simulates driving more pellets into the fire pit, causing your fire to roar a little higher. So there we have it. Everything is fully functional in this controller. Michael and Shelly, I will say that I believe there's also something wrong in your stove. So I'm going to send you some extra parts, one spare part and one part to install. Please contact me when you receive these. I'll help you get them installed. You just need a screwdriver and a few minutes of your time. We'll get that installed, and I'm pretty sure that that will make your stove fully functional once again. If not, I'll work with you to resolve whatever issue comes up. For all you viewers, I want to thank you for watching this. I do hope that you hit the like button under this video, and that you subscribe to my channel if you're interested in this kind of thing. There'll be more to come. Thanks for watching, everybody. And Michael and Shelly, thank you very much for your trust in me. I appreciate it very much. Bye-bye.